vacation far away. You call them up to talk it over. So many things that you want to say. Leave your message when the beep is over. I don't want to miss your call tonight. I already missed your call tonight.